All right, people, this is the watch list video for Wednesday, August 7th. The SPY, after gapping down yesterday with the with everything else, right, including Bitcoin, had a nice 2-day bounce. You know, from a low around 510 to all the way up to 530-ish, but kind of sold off at the end of the day, and I'm seeing a little bit of sketchiness in after hours. So let me share that with you real quick. SMCI reported earnings. So there's the daily, closed at 616.94. As I'm talking to you, they reported earnings and it went to 727.70. But now it's at 561. So, and I was telling someone in chat that in weaker environments, you know, even, and I'm not saying SMCI had good earnings, but even good earnings can get punished. A lot of things get punished. So just be aware of that. A couple other interesting things. ABNB, they reported, as I'm talking to you, it's trading at 108.40. So that's, you know, pretty good slap too, right? So anyway, there's a couple interesting things that's going on in after hours. Let me throw this up there. New members in chat, please pause the video and read that. It's a good explanation of what we're all about. I wanted to give one hat tip on SERV to Albert L again. He was in last night's video, I believe. Let's go to 5-minute candles. He called it over this little flag right here. And his idea was over 1640, so it had a nice pop, flagged, and then the 1640 break was right where my cursor is. Went to 1779, almost, you know, immediately without ever looking back. So that was a pretty damn nice call. Nice job, Albert. That's 2 days in a row you made the watch list video. Let's go back to the daily. I try to give at least one hat tip every one of these videos. And here's what we're watching tomorrow. All right, so LUMN is what I call stupid extended, right? It did this before earnings. It had earnings after hours. After earnings started to sell a little bit and then ran all the way to 964. As I'm talking to you, it's trading at 721. So extended, but we still got to watch it, right? They've had a lot of good news lately. Uber, nice pop today. I believe that was after earnings, so we're going to watch that one. TGTX, also nice pop after earnings. SGMO. It was on watch before today. I had a really nice trade in this one in pre-market because I heard the news before it was 90 cents. But overall, on an intraday basis, it ended up kind of an ugly reversal. But the headline today sounded really good. It's definitely an in-play stock. Maybe another red day is due, but keep this one on your radar because it's had a lot of good news lately. ASTS is just one of those that just keeps holding up, so I got to put it on watch. Hang on. YOU, which I didn't know where, I wasn't aware. Hang on, let me fix my watch list. I got LUMN on there twice. All right, YOU, nice breakout today. Big volume. Great relative strength, so we're going to watch that one. NCMI, which I believe is a movie theater chain. Double check that, but nice breakout today. And there's been a few big hits out there, so keep your eyes on that one. ZVRA had the big breakout yesterday. Quiet inside day today, looking for a third day play. TGTX, nice volume on earnings and a pretty strong day. Maybe a follow-through day tomorrow. KView, same thing, KVUE. GT goes back on bounce watch after putting in another red day. No trades in it today. Sava, this is weird. SAVA, usually I won't put something on, you know, that's something that's super strong and puts in a red day. Usually I want 2 or 3 red days, right? Back into that buy zone. But SAVA is so strong that after one nasty red day, it might be ready to go up again. So it already lands on the bounce play watch list. UPS goes on the bounce play watch list. Really, really beaten up there. Etsy, same thing. Looking for an oversold bounce. I talked about ABNB. Again, right now it's trading at 109.68. Potential gap down and run, right? Sometimes something gaps down so big that we look forward to run from the open. So that's what that one's about. And then UPST is my final one on the list. Closed at 23.87. As I'm talking to you, it's trading at 27.91. So gapping up on earnings and trading all the way up here, right? So that goes on the gap play list. I will see everyone in pre-market, and we will add other stocks to this list. So we'll increase our gap play list, and we'll watch all these, and hoping to catch some nice trades tomorrow. I'm done babbling. I'll see you in chat.